Hi, this is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources, and we're looking at the May 2016 question 4, and it's a relation functions graph topic. Our objectives are we're going to demonstrate the steps to find the inverse of functions. We're also going to demonstrate the steps to find the composite of functions. May 2016 question A. It says f of x is 2x minus 7 and g of x is x squared plus 1 respectively. Write an expression in terms of x for each of the following. F inverse x. So f of x, let me write it here. F of x is equals to 2x minus 7. So there are some rules. And the first rule is, or I'll say steps. Step 1 is to let y equals f of x. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say y is equals to 2x minus 7. Step 2, we're going to interchange x to y and y to x. So wherever you see x, you're going to replace it with y. Wherever you see y, you're going to replace it with x. So we start off with y. We're going to write an x equals to 2. It was 2x. It's going to become a 2y minus 7. Step 3, we're going to make y the subject. Okay, so it will become x minus 7. It was a minus 7, so it's going to become a plus 7 equals to 2y. So then y is equals to x plus 7 over 2. Therefore, f inverse x is equals to x plus 7 over 2. And that's the answer. Here we're asked to find the inverse of g inverse x. So let's identify that g of x is equals to x squared plus 1. Okay, so step 1, we're going to let y equals to g of x. So we're going to write y equals x squared plus 1. Step 2, we're going to interchange where x is y and y is x. So we're going to have x is equals to y squared plus 1. Step 3, we're going to make y the subject. And that is going to give us x minus 1 is equals to y squared. So y is equals to, we got a square root both sides, and that is going to give us y equals the square root of x minus 1. Therefore, g inverse x is equals to the square root of x minus 1. And that's the answer. Finally, we are asked to write an expression in terms of x for each of the following. Right, so this one here is f of g of x. So we work from the inside first. So we're going to have, we recognize that f of x is 2x minus 7. G of x is x squared plus 1. So g of x and then f. That is going to give us f, what is g? X squared plus 1. What are you doing with x in f of x? We are multiplying it by 2. So 2 x squared plus 1, and then we are what? Subtracting 7. So 2 by that is going to give us 2x squared. 2 by 1 is a plus 2 minus 7. So you're going to get 2x squared minus 5. 7 from 2 minus 5. That's the final answer. This is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. And we were looking at the May 2016 question 4, which was a question on functions, relations, functions, and graphs. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay tuned for more.